Hello everyone, we are Team EcoBots and we are presenting AI-driven reforestation planning and monitoring tool which aims to achieve smarter forests and stronger future. Now, let's look at the problem. Every year, millions of trees are planted, but many don't survive. The reason is because they are planted on unsuitable land, monitoring is slow and costly, farmers lack scientific guidance, and carbon verification is complex and unreliable. This leads to wasted resources, weak climatic impact, and missed income for rural communities. There is currently no simple integrated AI system that helps choose the right land, track tree survival, and produce trusted carbon evidence. This is the gap we address. Our work supports key UN SDGs, SDG 13 climatic action, SDG 15 life on land, SDG 12 responsible consumption, and SDG 8 decent work. Our solution is an AI powered reforestation platform that connects farmers, NGOs, governments, and corporates on one system. It offers five key capabilities: AI site selection using soil and climate data, real time monitoring with computer vision to detect growth, drought, pests, and logging, automated carbon verification with ready to submit MRV reports, a simple farmer app with recommendations and alerts, and a shared dashboard for transparent collaboration. Now let's look at the existing solutions and the gaps. There are tools like FAO CEPAL, Forest Carbon Projects, and Global Forest Watch. Each solves a part of the problem, imagery, alerts, or carbon, but they are fragmented and distributed, not designed for small farmers, and weak in real time risk detection. What's missing is a single integrated solution that covers planning to carbon verification at one stop. And this is exactly what we have built.
Use of AI technologies. Our platform leverages a suite of AI technologies to make reforestation smarter, scalable, and more reliable. We plan to integrate computer vision, which will help to classify land, monitor tree health, and detect threats. Environmental modeling predicts soil, climate, and biodiversity suitability. We also integrate recommendation engine to suggest the right trees for each region and automated carbon verification to ensure transparent reporting. Together, these technologies enable accurate planning, efficient restoration, and measurable climate impact. Steps of implementation. To bring the solution to life, we outlined a clear implementation roadmap. We will first define the MVP focused on AI-driven site selection and monitoring. Next, we'll identify a pilot region and partner NGO or government agency for proof of concept. We will then design a user-friendly interfaces based on the community feedback and explore data partnership to strengthen the platform. Finally, we will establish long-term collaboration with regulators and corporate stakeholders to scale the solution sustainably. Market fit and industry need. There's a strong market need and demand for a unified reforestation platform. Governments and corporate face increasing pressure to meet net zero and ESG goals. But current tools are fragmented, hard to use, and weak in monitoring and carbon verification. By improving agriculture productivity, strengthening local communities, and reducing disaster risk, our solution deliver environmental values. Target users and benefits. The platform is designed to serve multiple groups. Small farmers and landowners can optimize yields, receive alerts, and access an easy to use app. NGOs and environmental organizations can plan projects, monitor reforestation, and measure impact. Governments can track national climate commitments and manage large scale programs. And corporates or carbon markets gain access to verified credits and transparent ESG reporting. Overall, each user segment benefits from increased accuracy, accountability, and climate resilience.
To scale this solution, we've identified potential key partners, government bodies, NGOs, corporate development bank, tech providers, and academic institutions. Each would play a specific role. Government and NGOs will enable adoption. Corporates will provide ESG and carbon initiatives. Development banks will provide funding stability. And tech data partner will enhance the platform's intelligence. Our commercialization strategy is designed to support the multi-stakeholder ecosystem. We plan to offer subscription and licensing for NGOs and governments, service-based fees for carbon verification, and rely on grants and sponsorship for climate-focused institutions. We also look forward to collaborate with satellite and data providers through strategic partnership. This will keep the platform sustainable while ensuring farmers can access it affordably. Our platform is fully aligned with global climate goals and regulatory frameworks. It supports net zero targets, simplifies carbon compliance requirements, and promotes sustainable land use through data-driven planning. So this isn't just about planting trees. It directly strengthens climate policy implementation and long-term environmental resilience. In conclusion, this is scalable AI solution for global reforestation. It unifies the needs of farmers, NGOs, corporate, and government, combining climate intelligence, technology, and economic incentives. With the right support, it has strong potential to grow into full-fledged climate tech startup.
Optimal sites for reforestation using satellite imagery, soil data, climate conditions, and biodiversity indexes. It monitors tree growth and health post planting through continuous satellite or drone image analysis and environmental sensors. It provides actionable insights and real time alerts to small landowners and farmers to optimize land use and crop yields, taking into account soil, climate, and biodiversity data. It supports NGOs and government agencies in planning, launching, and monitoring large scale reforestation initiatives. It integrates carbon credit verification and reporting to facilitate carbon offsetting for corporations and carbon markets. Coming on to the platform, first let's see what's the monitoring dashboard. In the monitoring dashboard, our monitoring dashboard provides real-time insights into reforestation efforts. The key features are it calculates the real-time metrics where till now we have calculated about 1,25,000 trees planted with 12% monthly growth, and the supporting values for other parameters are also available. In the tree health monitoring section, we have color-coded health status for all zones, the zone-wise tree counts and health percentages, and the regular updates for timely intervention are also taken care of. In the risk assessment and analytics section, the analysis of pest, disease, fire, and logging risks have been taken care of. The predictive probability scores for proactive action, the monthly and quarterly performance trends are also included. In the alert system, some alerts like critical alerts with timestamps, zone-specific health warnings, prioritized alerts for urgent issues are also considered. In Action Center, we have the facilities to download reports, filter data by custom date ranges, and set automated alerts and receive updates. Coming to the next page, the smart site selection. It uses a geospatial intelligence to identify the best reforestation sites. The working process is as follows. We can select sites via interactive map or GPS location. The real-time environmental data analysis evaluates the soil quality, climate, and vegetation. The coverage is currently focused on Maharashtra and can be scalable for nationwide and global use also. The output generates suitability reports with recommendations and highlights location with highest environmental potential. You can see that the report has been generated. Coming to the next page, to the farmers portal. The farmers portal uses a user-centric design which empowers farmers with personalized tools and insights. Each farmer has a farmer profile. For example, Rajesh Kumar from Nashik has a farmer profile with 1,250 trees planted across 3 units. In the quick action sections, we have the facilities to upload images for AI health analysis, download PDF reports, enable messages from SMS and WhatsApp alerts, and monitor plantation health easily. In the plantation management section, the farmers can track each plot with health indicators. For example, for a tea plantation of 650 trees, the status of the plantation can be examined excellent by the farmer. In the AI plant assistant section, we have a 24/7 AI assistant for guidance on planting, weather, pests, and soil with interactive chat for instant help.
This is a carbon credit estimator. This feature answers the user's key question: what is my environmental impact worth? Once the AI recommends a crop, like teak, user can go to carbon credit estimator. They input their land area, and our backend API uses database for known sequestration rates. For example, knowing that teak sequesters about 12 tons of CO2 per hectare land. Then it calculates the total ton of CO2 their project will remove. The value here is financial. It turns an ecological action into a measurable, verifiable asset. This provides a powerful financial initiative for user and organizations to invest in planting. Then we have an automatic alert system. Basically, this is how we protect that investment. This isn't just a static page. We have an automatic worker running in a Docker container 24/7 every 30 minutes. This worker queries NASA's live website feed for new wildfires. If a wildfire is detected near users' registered GPS coordinates, the system does two things instantaneously. It sends an emergency free alert directly to the user's phone via below WhatsApp API. It logs the event to our alert database in PostgreSQL. This database we see here is front-end for the database log. It's real-time persistent record of every thread. That not just plant and forget, it's plant and protect. Then we have our community platform. In community platform, we can basically make gamification of our achievements. This leaderboard is not just a mock data when a user loads this page, the front-end calls our community leaderboard endpoint. Our backend then runs a live SQL query on the registered zone table. It counts how many zones each table has entered, groups them, and returns the rank list. This creates social proof and a powerful sense of healthy competition. It gamifies the act of reforestation and transforms a collection of individual efforts into a measurable collective movement. So these features work together. The carbon system provides the financial incentive, the alert system provides the protection, and the community system provides a social motivation to make this project a long-term success. Thank you.